Again, welcome back. Let's learn how to enable and use Uber simple mode on your iPhone and Android. The Uber app offers a pretty cool feature called simple mode, designed to make ride booking easier with larger text, fewer buttons, and a cleaner interface. This mode is especially helpful for seniors, new smartphone users, or anyone who prefers a more straightforward layout. That said, let's get started. So first you have to launch the Uber app on your iPhone or Android device. Then make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, you have to tap on the account icon located in the bottom corner of the screen to open your profile settings. Then you have to scroll down a bit and select the simple mode option. And finally, you have to enable the toggle for simple mode and you are all set. Once enabled, the app interface will instantly switch to a simplified layout with bigger buttons and clearer instructions. You can now return to the home screen of the app to start booking rides using the simplified interface. From what I can tell, this pretty handy mode can make booking rides much more comfortable and stress-free. The simplified layout reduces clutter, making it easier to select destinations, confirm rides, and follow trip details. If you ever want to switch back to the regular interface, simply return to the same settings and then disable the toggle for simple mode, and that's about it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.